We are out of the doctor's office. Ears look good on David and Toby. We had a follow-up appointment for them. So we're loaded up, headed to lunch now. Then we've got some errands to do. You know our Mondays are busy. Get it. Look at my boy's morning hair. Come here, Toby. Whoa, man. Where's Charlie's? Give us a full view. Turn around. All the way. Looks like a peacock stuck his finger in a light socket. Well, I didn't vlog very much yesterday. I was so busy running around, didn't have a chance. So we're just going to continue on in today. We're doing homeschool, and Byron had a sleep study last night. He is going to have CPAP. He had several apneas within the first hour and 45 minutes. They brought it in pretty quick. So we're just waiting on his CPAP machine. I'm praying that insurance covers his CPAP machine, because when we got him, the CPAP he had mold and other
bugs,
things in it, and it was not usable. And I'm praying we don't have to pay out of pocket for one of them things, because they're like $800, and you cannot just have somebody give you a CPAP machine and use it, because any of the medical supply stores, they won't help you get it set up, because then they'll be reliable if there's something wrong with that machine. Which makes sense, but it's just been a whole frustrating process since we got him. He has been without a CPAP machine since September of last year, and I'm just ready for him to get it so he can feel better rested, and even more of himself. Y'all see him now and how happy and everything he is. He's going to be even more crazy, like me.
They just fly away. Birds, when they go on your arm, little birds, if they go on your finger, they'll fly away. Then they'll fly away.
Yeah.
Whenever they're done on your finger. But big birds, they fly after your arm too.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really nice. And they're so cute. They're so cute too. What are cute? The birds, right there. The big bird. Yeah, the big birds. They're big, Mama. And they get so angry. That's the bear. That's the bear. Hey, Mom.
Yeah.
There's the big bird.
Yep.
That's the mom. I think that's the dad. Daddy bird.
Yeah.
And that's the mom. That's the mom, Mama. That's the color, though.
Not even kidding. He was sitting in my lap and did this, and I did not even realize it.
Make sure you like and subscribe Mom's videos. Comment below. And as my Uncle Baba says, ring the bell.
You heard him. Ring the bell.